Hi, I'm Whitney Bond. I am a food blogger at whitneybond.com and also Bowls of the New Plates. I have been blogging since 2011 and sharing my recipes with the world. When we bought our home in 2017, it was a 1970s gem. There was a lot of brown and a lot of shag carpet, an actual built-in bar in the ceiling, and outside definitely needed some love. And so over the last few years, we completely renovated the home, and the last piece de resistance was the backyard. We have a beautiful view of San Diego and Mission Bay, and so we really wanted to highlight that with a beautiful backyard to match the view. An outdoor kitchen project was always part of the plan for the backyard. Obviously, as a food blogger, I love to cook. And being in San Diego with beautiful weather year-round, being able to cook outside is something that we get to enjoy 365 days of the year. When I started designing the outdoor kitchen in my mind, I knew that I wanted something with space to be able to prep food as well as cook it outside, and be able to entertain my friends with plenty of space to hold crock pots full of dips and a Margaritaville machine to make margaritas. I knew that, a beverage center was in the future. I wasn't exactly sure what that looked like until I started researching more, but a big grill to feed all of my friends and family was something that was super important, and really the design started to come together when I started working with PIRCH. When I started designing my outdoor kitchen, I knew I had to have a really big grill, and I knew I wanted a side burner because I wanted to be able to make an entire meal outside without having to go back and forth, cooking something on the stove inside and then grilling something outside. And when I found out about the DCS side burner and griddle, that was a win for me because in my family, we love using a griddle to make our famous Oklahoma onion fried burgers. I selected DCS appliances for my outdoor kitchen because the array of products that they had. They had everything that I wanted for my outdoor kitchen, from the grill to the side burner griddle combo, the kegerator, and the refrigerator. They have such an amazing combination of products that really makes an entire outdoor kitchen complete. I love that everything is matching, and they have such great attention to detail. In the grill, they have a light and a rotisserie that is awesome. I love these details, and I'm so excited to have DCS as part of my outdoor kitchen. For my outdoor kitchen, I selected the DCS grill, the griddle side burner combo, the refrigerator, and the DCS kegerator. What I like most about my DCS appliances is that they're both beautiful and functional. I can come outside and grab a cold beer from the kegerator, head over to the grill and toss a steak on it, and then use the side burner to whip up some mashed potatoes. It really is an all-in-one outdoor kitchen experience. One of my favorite features is the griddle and side burner combo. It was the only one that I could find in the market for outdoor use, and I love that I can griddle some smash burgers and then also use the side burner to cook something else. I also love the features that are inside the grill. The rotisserie and the light makes cooking any time of the day or night totally possible. I would recommend DCS appliances to any of my friends and family looking to add or upgrade their outdoor kitchen.